How to access OPAC, use OPAC operators, and identify resources in OPAC. COM-FSM library has two OPAC stations which can be accessed both on the first floor and second floor at the circulation area. They also have an online OPAC which is located on the library page on COM-FSM webpage. To do search using OPAC, you can search term by keyword, title, other, subject, series, call number, and category. Let's do an example by searching keyword. My search term will be cultural. So I'll type in cultural and click keyword. OPAC will present resources with that keyword. You can either find key term on the title itself or see that a part in that source touched on your key term. Let's do another sample. Let's say I want to search Romeo and Juliet. Type in Romeo and Juliet and click title. OPAC will display items with that title. This result applies to other, subject, series. Call number will present you call number of item you put in. This is really useful when you remember call number of that material. While category lists materials by their published dates, and again, this is useful when you know publication date of the material you're looking for. OPAC has power operators, and they are the power and limiters, which allows you to broaden or limit your search. Before we dive in, you can do both simple and complex search using OPAC. Simple search when you only use title, keyword, subject, but the complex search when you're using Boolean or include symbols on your key terms. Now, I mentioned about Boolean. Boolean is when you use and or not, or but not. If you click on power operator, it will present you the Boolean search. This operator can narrow or broaden your searches. Alright, let's do an example and say I want to use and in my search. And I want to find files that talks about Pohnpei and history. So my key terms will be Pohnpei and history. This will produce a list of records that have both the words Pohnpei and history. Now let's use OR in the Boolean search. Using OR, it will get you a list of records with either the words you put in. Let's say we want to use drama or documentary. In this case, you will get a list of records with either the word drama or documentary. And using but not will display a list of records that have the word drama in them but not the word documentary. Now let's look at the limiters operator. This operator allows you to limit searches by setting only to publication dates, reading level, interest level, and material types. Let's say I am only interested in videos. I will set my limit to only video. Now I need to save this or else it won't do what I want. Now let's search Romeo and Juliet and click title. By clicking title, OPAC will provide only videos because that's what my setting is. If you notice, video has its own icon, so as other materials like archives, books, computers, and etc. Clicking on each individual file, it will provide you specific information about that file and you can find out what type of material you are dealing with. This concludes this guide and I hope it gives you ideas you need when doing searches. thank you. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel to see updates and learn more about our services.